450 is a little too much power for you.
Yeah, right.
But it's alright.
Talking like 5 less horse than mine.
Careful. 2 down, 7 up.
2 down? Alright, 2 down. Watch for power band. God, these bars are good.
That's a super race bike.
Super race bike.
Neutral.
Get the bars off the thing.
Neutral, it's freestyle.
I don't like freestyle.
Neutral's between second and third.
Alright. See, you like that? I bet you get on pump. Eventually.
I've never ridden a 3-stroke before.
3 strokes are, I mean, Honda produced them in 2 down 2. From advertised radiators, cease the fucking heat they put out.
Too much power!